Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Let's enjoy this simple traditional South Indian home style dinner recipe. We have here steaming hot rice, Paruppu Thogayal, Potlakaya Pachadi and some sutta appam, that is dry roasted appam, and we can enjoy this with a little bit of either ghee or til oil on top, whichever you prefer. For making the Potlakaya Pachadi, I have some water here which I have heated. So we are going to steam this Potlakaya snake gourd. See that there is sufficient water in the base. It might take about 10 to 15 minutes to get fully steamed. Now side by side for the Paruppu Thogayal, I am heating 1 tablespoon of oil. This is 2 tablespoons of Tuvar Dal and 2 tablespoons of Channa Dal. Over a low to medium flame, fry the dals till they get a reddish color. When the dals are nearly done, add about 6 dry red chillies and stir fry that also along with the dals. Here I have an amla sized piece of tamarind. We will add that too. Stir everything well together until the dals have become a little more reddish in color. See, the dals have turned to the perfect color. Now switch it off. I am also adding 2 green chillies and some fresh coconut chopped into pieces here. Allow it to cool down to room temperature. Then we will grind it into a thogayal in our blender jar. Add some salt and as always first run it dry. Let it become a coarse powder. Then add the required quantity of water and grind it into a thogayal. See, we have made it into a powder. Now add some water. We need a thick chutney, that is a thogayal. See, our Paruppu Thogayal is now ground to the perfect consistency. Should be slightly coarse and thick. I will take it out onto a bowl. The tadka or tempering for this is optional. It differs in families. In our family, we like to add the tempering. So, in a teaspoon of oil, I am adding some mustard seeds, Urad Dal, 1 dry red chilli, a little bit of Hing powder, finally a few curry leaves. Now pour this tempering on top of your thogayal. Our tempting and tasty Paruppu Thogayal is ready. Now we will grind the masala for the Potlakaya Pachadi. So here I have taken about 1/4 cup of chopped coconut. I am adding ginger peeled and chopped and 2 green chillies also to this. Crush it all together without adding any water. See, coconut, ginger and green chillies have been crushed together without water. Also take a cup of curd. Curd I am referring to yogurt or homemade dahi, and beat it well and keep it ready. Add salt to the curd. Now add this ground coconut, green chillies and ginger to it. See, our snake gourd has cooked well, nice and soft. Now we can switch it off. Now take out the steamer basket and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Along with this, I will just roast some appam. Our Potlakaya or this snake gourd has cooled down to room temperature now. Add this to the ready prepared curd and mix it all well together. See, mix it well like this. Heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, Urad Dal, When the dals become a reddish color, switch it off, add some curry leaves. Now you can pour this tempering on top of the pachadi. Our potlakai or snake gourd pachadi is also ready. Now to serve, I have some steaming hot rice here. We'll serve some of this Potlakaya Pachadi at the side. Add a helping of this Paruppu Thogayal on top. You can top it with some ghee, or some people like to use still oil. Choice is yours. Mix it well like this with the hot rice. A lovely lunch or dinner combo, especially in the winter season. Steaming hot rice, Paruppu Thogayal, this pachadi, and of course not to miss this dry roasted appalam. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.